Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. First, preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking tray with baking paper. In a large bowl, combine 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of white sugar, and a pinch of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 130 grams of melted butter to the sugar mixture. Now, let's continue building our cookie dough. Add 1 cold egg and 1 cold egg yolk to your wet ingredients, whisking them thoroughly until everything is perfectly combined. Then, gently fold in 300 grams of plain flour and half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. Use a wooden spoon to stir this mixture until you can no longer see any dry flour, creating a cohesive and smooth dough for your cookies. With your mixture ready, it's time to assemble the cake. Press the biscuit mixture firmly and evenly into your prepared cake tin. Use the back of a spoon or your hands to create a smooth, compact surface. This step is crucial for a well-formed cake. Once pressed, place the tin in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. Chilling allows the butter to solidify, setting the cake perfectly. Finally, it's time to bake your wonderful cookies. Place the baking tray into your preheated oven and bake for 17 to 20 minutes. Look for them to turn a lovely golden brown around the edges. Once baked, let them cool on the tray for a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Serve these warm, freshly baked chocolate chip cookies and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.